Hey, welcome back to our channel Ship and Cruise Life. If you want to join a yacht or you are looking for jobs on a yacht, so this video is for you. In this video, I will share you names of the agencies who hire a crew for a yacht, and I will share your contact details of the agencies as well. And end of this video, I will show you how to apply also. So stay tuned and watch till end. So let's start the video. And here's the list of the agencies: Key Crew, Crew Bay, CGM International, YPI Crew, Insignia Crew, Blue Water, Wilson Halligan, Super Yacht Crew Agency, and Yacht Jobs, and many more. The link is in the description. Go and check out. And you will get the contact details and you can apply from there also. But wait, in this video I will show you how to apply also. As soon as you will click on the link which I have given you in the description, this site will be open in front of you. And you will see the name of the agencies and contact details also. So I will choose Key Crew. Just click on the Key Crew. Okay, after you will see the two options like looking for a crew and looking for a job. So I click on the looking for a job. Next, type of work. So choose any type, permanent and temporary. I will choose permanent. All right, and then choose a position, department. From here I will choose deck and insert keyword. So I will leave this one, and you can apply directly from here also, like yacht engineering, galley, deck, and interior jobs. All right. Okay, I will just click on the find it. Okay, so you will see the jobs here. Chief officer, 75 meter. It's a yacht. All right, and second officer in 65 meter. Deckhand, bosun. All right, deckhand, captain. Okay, and deck steward. So I will choose second officer. Just click on this one. All right, so you have to read this one. Okay, and then apply. All right, so second officer, 65 meter. All right, first you have to enter your name, last name, and email address, password, then confirm your password. Okay, and mobile number, then CV. If you don't know how to make a perfect CV for a seafarer, the link is in the description or you found in the I button also. Go and check out. And another thing, okay, where did you hear about this position? So I will choose LinkedIn. Okay, just choose from here, and on the accept the candidate agreement. Okay, so here is the candidate policy. Just click on this one and read the policy, and after accept this one. Okay, just click here like this and then continue. All right, after you can see thank you, your application is in process. Okay, more vacancies. If you want more vacancies, you want to apply, just click on more vacancies. Otherwise my account, just click on my account and you can check your account. Okay, so from here you can edit your profile. You can insert your profile picture. You can edit your CV. All right, and gender, title, name. You can't change your name, but you can if you want to enter middle name, you can enter middle name here. And social links like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, if Skype, if you want to enter, you can. All right, and your address, town, country, postal code. Oh, so many things you can edit here. All right, and languages, how many languages you speak, skill, employment, education, and your certificates. Okay, so many things you can edit from here. And on the top right side, availability. Okay, notice for example within 1 week, if you want an availability, within 1 week, 2 week, 4 week, over 1 month and 2 months, like that. All right, I'll do over 1 month. All right, okay, after editing, just save. All right, just save from here. After that, they will contact you by mail or by phone call for your interview. That's it. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.